You guys, man, you can take a break. You guys can take a break. For those of those newcomers that are here tonight, Des and Kevin have been doing this for almost a decade now, so please don't fuck it up for local artists. Thank you. Anyways, this next piece I'm about to do is called Split Personality. And it's basically about how we all got a good side, a bad side, a right or wrong, a past, a future. So I hope you guys can dig it. I sat back and watched what was once beautiful turn ugly. I still see liberty crying, screaming, oh, glory just fucked me. What's the Declaration of Independence? Because the streets been doing a sentence. Never thought I'd see the day I turned 24. Because as a little man, God and the devil were beating down the door. I hear voices like, truth, your soul, we want more. You wanted your success, so we're going to break you to the core. I beat the angel and demon, so God, let's get it. I'm ready for war. I drew the devil in my tarot, but I'm looking at the card like God and the devil are on the same payroll. I held debt, so does that make me bitter? Played with death and murder, so you know I'm never a fucking quitter. 24 years for paying for a sin. The darkness shows me what it takes to win. Failure, I'll never see it again, cause in my socks is a 20-twin twin. I'm going from a spec to spectacular. My gasping syllables, fucking with your cardiovascular. Me and the soul chicken will flip your chick like a spatula. No ring on it, I'm dying like a bachelor. They say I'm wrong and I'm heartless, but peace is the enemy of my memory. I'm an innocent man doing a century, convicted of poverty, and I'm chained to the pain. You wanted me to repent, but you seek God, fortune, and fame. I smoke chronic blunts with the devil, and I never cried God's name in vain. Do you know what it's like to be the source of an abortion, trying to hide the pain, searching for a solution, but only getting a portion? In my mind, I'm screaming for my baby girl. Father's Day comes, and I'm watching the purple syrup swirl. Sitting in the desert heat, waiting for a familiar voice to greet. I picked up the pen and watched my words meet. I stand victorious in the eyes of defeat, cause America tastes like heaven and hell. Fuck a Liberty Bell, cause Liberty sits in a cell. Her weakness is she'll never tell. Just listen and study this creed and throw your L's up and pledge allegiance. Cause my words are nothing you should fear. I just picture them in my nightmares. Words that are more substance than a card. Or something to make the streets a little bit smarter. Y'all don't know the pain that I harvest. The reason Pac died as a martyr. My pen's on fire like an arsenic writer. But this life is going down to the wire. I still got the heart of a fighter. I paid the debt, but I thought the toll would be lighter. Check, my blunts are still rolled a little tighter. The time I need a shrink and that therapy may take care of me, but how can therapy take care of me when I don't give a fuck what you think? My attitude's tattooed like my poetry ink. No stopping the kid, cause I done gave death a smile and a wink. How you supposed to live when you're being told being a dreamer's a disease? Why you think the hood's blazing the trees? My pops tells me I'm something demonic when I'm puffing on the chronic. My buds are colorful like Knuckles, Tails, and Sonic. Y'all make excuses for what you be on, but how did you live it when it's your skeletons that you lean on? You remind me of Christians trying to understand Ramadan. Faith that's diluted and depleted like the Bible got deleted. Y'all treat history like a mystery, getting mind-fucked by conformity. I went from zero to hero, the untouchable kid, never a Robert De Niro. I seen doors open from the kilo. I live life like it's on a bank loan. Robbed the bitch like I'm trained by Capone. Death was in my vision, but success turned into the mission. I picked up the pen and let my people listen. How you supposed to grow when the guidance is missing? Never will I be the guy watching his back while he's pissing. If you're from poverty, they want to see you dead or in prison. Hollow-tip shells in the ghetto filled up with geo prisons. I seen the angels fall to reality, gripping the crack like it's a split personality. When in reality, it's just your motherfucking gravity. I woke up cold in this heroin sweat. The voice is going for my neck. I let liberty die as my soul cried. I'm tired of seeing her cry this red, white, and blue. Y'all trying to give sympathy to her when the guilty is you. Get it up.